Where's that one? Where does the duck go? Duck, 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 duck. Yes, good girl. Oh, perfect. Okay, go. Bah. Where's the sheep? Where does the sheep go? Yes. Where does that one go? Look at the picture, Emma. Good girl. Mommy will help you. Where does the cow go? Moo. Where does the cow go, Emma? Look at the picture, Emma. Emma, look at the picture. Where's the cow? Moo. Moo. Good girl. Okay, where's the rooster? Where does the rooster go, Emma? Over here? You have to go over there. Good girl. Where does the rooster go? The rooster, Emma. Oh! Yes! Good girl! Okay. Where does the donkey? Where's the donkey? Where's the donkey? Yes! Good girl! How about where does the pig go? Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Yes! Good girl, Emma! Almost done. Where does the doggy go? Dog? The dog. Yes. Where does the dog go? Oh, good girl. I'm not even focusing on your girl. And where does the horsey go? Caballito. Horsey, horsey. Caballito. You have to go that way. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Mommy will help you. And what do you get? No more. You get a galleta. Can you say galleta? Dada. Can you say thank you? Dada. You're welcome. Emma. Oh, you're eating your galleta. That was a good job, Emma. How are you, Emma? How are you? Good job. Yes, good job. What's your name? Luna. Luna. I love you. How can you say how are you? You're bun. You're fine. You're fine. I love you, Emma. I don't know what that means. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Today is March 1st. I love you, Emma. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is that good, galleta? Is that good? Okay. Good girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.